All right, guys, we're flying right now with no app. Now it's windy, so it is going to affect it, to be honest. It's going to make it a little jukey. Oh, I think I hit the land button by mistake. Okay, I wanted to put the second rate on. That's with this, you press it in. I wanted to get the good speed on there. I don't think this thing does flips, to be honest with you. I would have to... I think that might be the start and stop video or something. Yeah. So yeah, it has the features on here. You're not going to be able to use them without using the app. But as you can see, it's pretty zippy in the high rate without using the app. So we see that works. So let's just bring it back here, land it, and then put the app on. Oh, okay. So it's going to be one of them deals. I think this did this before to me when I tried to land it without using the app. Now it's in the GPS mode now. It says 14 satellite. I actually just wanted to check one thing on here, actually. Orbits, yeah, that's the only thing I wanted to check. The circle mode. Okay. I'm not high enough. See, you always got to be careful with these circle modes on these kind of... You never know how far the circle is. There it goes. Okay, so it's working. All right. It's not that hot, but it works, right? It's not that great, but it works. Yeah. So yeah, it's working. I think the video stopped recording, actually. Now it says stop. Now, is that stop the drone or stop me? Yeah, I don't know. We're going to try it. Stop. No. Cancel. Cancel the emergency stop. Okay, we canceled the circle fly. Okay. Hey, it worked, right? Who cares? And then you got this, I guess, is a follow me. Tips. Okay. So I'll try that real quick, and then that way I can be done with the video. Because I don't think I'm key. I think I'm going to give this to somebody, so. All right. So it's following me. Yeah, it's working good, actually. But, you know, even just like the DJI stuff, when you start these modes, the video stops recording. So you got to remember to go ahead and restart these videos and do all that mumbo jumbo. But I got the screen recording on, so yeah, it works. Okay, so I mean, no big deal. We'll stop that. They call it track mode. All right. Yeah, this is a decent little thing. I mean, but it was kind of expensive. I think I paid like $150 for it, you know. So, you know, it is what it is, right? Not bad. It's not a bad toy. So the battery's getting low. I don't want it to go into no return to home scenario, so we're going to land up. Be the end of this video. Maybe probably be the last video I make with this thing. To be honest, probably not going to do any more. Because I never crashed it, and it's still in brand new condition. I think this is my 4th time flying it. I think it's my 4th time flying it, so I'll just get rid of it while it's still alive, right? Well, I haven't ruined it yet. I mean, it's got brushless motors and it goes pretty good. Helps that you have a 5G phone because it goes, the range is a lot more on the 5G phone. Just to give you a heads up on that. I'm gonna stop that recording for right now. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day. At least the flight was successful, but it's really windy out here. That thing actually performed very well with this wind, you know. So, yeah, it performed really well in this wind. So I was happy with that. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.